Hey Bridget, right now it's dry outside. There's no snow yet, but like you said, DOT, they are ready. Officials there tell me say they have about 200 contractors on standby for tomorrow. Now, Josh Morgan, Connecticut's DOT spokesperson, said the department has 900 drivers and more than 600 plow equipment. Crews will be working Saturday night into Sunday as well to keep the highways clear of any snow and slick spots and ensuring drivers are safe as possible if they have to be out on the roads during the snowstorm.
We usually get called in about 2 hours before the precipitation is expected to fall. We have 65 garages around the state, so depending on the track of the storm, when they're calling, we'll stagger crews. We'll have them come in, depending on when that accumulation is going to start falling. They can go out there, they can start putting treatment on the roads, then start clearing snow as soon as it starts falling. But it's going to be a plowable event, it looks like, for all of Connecticut. So we're fully expecting 100% of our crews to be out there and supplemented with contractors as well.
The main message from officials: if you don't have to be out late Saturday or up early Sunday, stay home and avoid the snow altogether. Many towns are already implementing parking bans, many of them beginning at 5 on Saturday evening. Now, Morgan told us crews will be out much of Sunday to make sure that the highway shoulders are cleared and that the roads are clear as they can be. In Hartford, Fox 61.